The world of hospitality is organized by students studying hospitality and events management. This requires us to plan a series of different departments, starting from service and cocktails, going to wine selection, to food menu decoration and theme altogether.
Nature Symphony, a moment where you can be in touch with your inner self by being down to earth and appreciating everything around you.
Welcome to Swiss Hotel Management School, a university that's committed to promoting sustainable actions and protecting environments.
As students of SHMS, we know how parallel it is to work in hospitality industry and still care about the environment. And this is what we are taught by our teachers in the school.
And that's the idea of Nature Symphony. It's an event to celebrate and promote the beauty and diversity of the natural world.
And this is amazing because the beauty of nature complements so well and suits the nature setting of this place.
It's inspiring for us to learn about promoting sustainable tourism as well as protecting the environment.
As future of hospitality and tourism professionals, we are so excited to put these practices into the action.
Oh, it's so hard to plant a tree. I just realized how much work goes into protect the environment.
No, but it's worth it. Just think of all of the benefits we get from nature.
Guys, Nature Symphony is more than just fun. It's a way of giving back to the environment.
It is important to take care of the planet we live on.
So a lot has been covered in terms of sustainability, but let's come back to the event itself. Amadia, what's the event about?
So, the event is going to be held at Swiss Hotel Management School, and it's going to be called Nature Symphony. A little fun fact about this event is that we're actually standing on its venue itself. So, come and join us in our event, Nature Symphony, where you can immerse yourself with the beauty that nature has given us and have a hands-on opportunity to learn about sustainable hospitality. We can't wait to see you there.
See you there!